Hi, and welcome to my Screencast-O-Matic evaluation of two documents that I use for my classes based on the UDL Universal Design for Learner Guidelines. So the first one that I'm presenting right here is my um, Word documents that I use and upload onto my website and my Canvas page as notes for my college prep biology class. Um, as you can see, they're pretty bare bones. There were not a lot of problems with them. Um, One of the things that I did do was I modified them um, based on Principle 1. Um, there are no images or tables. This is for the multiple means of representation. Um, I used 12 point Times New Roman, but I did modify them by going back through and highlighting in bold all the terms that I'm defining for the students as I go through them. These go along with the notes from the textbook. So they have an online textbook that they can also reference these notes through. Um, um, this should work with any text-to-speech conversion program because I go with these in order. And I also give them with these wide margins so that the students can annotate and take notes in the margins. And sometimes I end up doing that as well, annotating these by typing notes in the margin if there are questions to clarify for my students. The second principle was organization and adding style. Um, again, by changing the font or the size, I could add some style to this, but I keep it pretty bare bones, pretty simple. And the third principle was to provide a means of engagement. And what I do there is I present all of these notes in both the Word documents that you see here, as well as I convert them to an Adobe file, so a PDF file. And I do that by creating from the Word documents. I go in here to my Chapter 11 outline and my Chapter 11 notes, and I convert them using my Adobe Photoshop. So the Adobe Photoshop gives them an alternative version. I also, in my Canvas page, then take these and scan them in PDF form as well, so that the students have this alternative form of formatting besides the Word programs. So I think that my notes are in pretty good shape. The other document that I chose was this one right here. Um, and you can see it's my school website. We were asked about 10 years ago, 9 years ago, to put all of our lessons on a school website, and mine can be found at ldsd.org. But what I did with this was, after doing a little research, I ran these through a web accessibility analysis program. I found it at Wave, W-A-V-E .webaim.org. And then I just typed in the URL for my specific my website, and this analyzed what my deficiencies were in accessibility. And as you can see, there are multiple. Most of them are the lack of alternative links for my videos, and a lot of problems with links to my Word documents. Um, it was a little disheartening because I was going to mention all these things. And then I got in a conversation with our technology coordinator here, who just happened to go to a forum on this. And she told me all about the lawsuit that was pending against the Seattle school districts, and said that that's the reason that we went to our current um, learning management system here on Canvas. That these learning management systems that are closed to the public don't have to meet the same compliancy rules as the ones that we see or we place on the web. So our school is in the process of transferring into this Canvas format so that we can eliminate our faculty websites. As I said, on this Canvas page, all of my notes are listed under each of the different categories. And then with those notes, I also have PDF scan versions of each of my notes. Um, so I feel like I do by default um, meet some of the requirements, but others I fall short on. Um, so this has been my presentation on my two analyses of the sources that I am analyzing for the university universal design for learners.